Let's be honest, you probably think of yoga pants as a fashion choice. But what if I told you they're one of the most underrated tools for your practice? The secret to a more stable and focused session isn't just flexibility, but also what you're wearing. The right pants can actually improve your movement and focus. Stick with me and I'll show you how. First, flexibility. Good yoga pants are engineered to be your partner in movement. They're made with four-way stretch fabric, which means they can stretch in every direction and snap right back. Think about a deep lunge. Stiff pants will fight you, creating resistance at your hips and knees. But a well-designed pair feels like a second skin, letting you sink deeper into poses and flow freely without your clothes holding you back. Next, stability. Have you ever had to hike up your waistband during tree pose, shattering your concentration? This is where a high-waisted, form-fitting design is a game changer. A secure waistband stays put, eliminating fidgeting that can throw off your balance. On top of that, some pants offer light compression like a gentle, reassuring hug for your muscles. This subtle feature adds to a feeling of control during demanding poses. Proper alignment is the foundation of a safe yoga practice, but it's hard to see your own. Snug-fitting yoga pants give you clear visual feedback. Because they follow your body's lines, it's much easier for you and your instructor to check your alignment. Are your hips square in Warrior 1? Is your knee tracking safely? Looser clothes can hide misalignments, but form-fitting pants act like a helpful mirror for instant adjustments. Finally, let's talk sweat. Whether it's a hot yoga class or a tough vinyasa flow, you need to stay comfortable to stay focused. Look for moisture-wicking fabric, unlike cotton that gets heavy and damp. These technical fabrics pull moisture away from your skin so it evaporates. This helps you feel drier and cooler. When you're not distracted by feeling sticky, you can put all your energy toward your breath and movement. So, next time you get ready for practice, give your pants a second thought. Are they helping you? If you feel like your gear is getting in the way, it might be time for an upgrade. Yoga pants are more than just a trend, they're functional gear. By offering unrestricted movement, a secure fit, alignment feedback, and moisture control, they clear away distractions. No, they won't do the poses for you, but they create the perfect conditions to find your potential on the mat. By choosing pants that work with you, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more focused practice.